Hey everyone, welcome to the Home Family YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making an Ariel cake using this doll. She's kind of big, but I'm going to make it work to put her inside the cake. I told my daughter I was going to make her an Ariel cake for her birthday. Let's see how I can make it work with this huge doll. So I'm just following a recipe from Pinterest today. I'm going to be doubling it in hopes that it makes 4 of these caraway cake pans. I love these cake pans because they're non-stick and the cake falls right out.
Can I smash her?
Go ahead. Good job. Okay. On the counter as hard as you can. Harder, harder, harder. There you go. Now put your fingers together. Put it above this, and then open it. Open it now. With your 2 thumbs, pull it open. Pull it open. Show everyone. Let
Okay, Mom, I think that's 2 mistakes.
Good job, Ruth.
Mom, I got 2 mistakes.
That good?
Mama, these kids love the new home. It's a yucky home. Gotta clean it up.
Okay everyone, we are on day 2 with trying to make this Ariel cake, and I'm actually really nervous. I'm like wondering if I should just decorate a cute little round cake, but I feel like I've already gone this far, so I might as well do it. I made the frosting.
I'm looking the spoon.
She's licking the spoon. So, I'm trying to see how I need to cut these cakes or Ariel to fit. And I don't even know if I made enough cake. So scared. Okay, let's see. Just cutting. Think it's gonna work, Diana?
Yeah, it did work.
Yikes. Okay. Let's put Ariel in it. Can you go get a rubber band for Ariel's hair?
Sure, Mom.
Thank you. That works, I think. I'm gonna put the frosting on this cake.
Mom, I can't find the rubber bands.
They're just little tiny white ones. Remember the ones in the drawer?
But what
The
drawer?
ones I do your hair with in the hairdo in drawer.
I can't see them.
Okay, get a big brown one like Mom's.
Oh.
Okay. You're not gonna look. Why?
Because I think it fall over.
Oh shoot, her hair needs to be put up, Diana. Oh, we gotta leave that. Thank you.
I don't want to watch his eyes anymore.
You scared?
I got blown off. I'm not gonna look because everything's away.
I probably messed up big time and I should have just made a square cake. Taste the cake, Diana?
No way.
Tastes good. That's the ugliest, cutest thing I've ever seen. So this is what we got so far. I just want anyone to know that, like, if you need a cake for your child's birthday, I'm a professional, and if you guys want one, just hit me up, comment on this video. Diana, what do you think so far?
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Does it look like a dress?
Yeah.
Does it look like a princess?
Yeah. Ow, 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 ow.
I don't know. Okay, how should we make her tell? Oh! This is the cutest cake ever!
But that's not tell.
Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I've never done this before, it's actually kind of cute. I mean, I think it's kind of cute. It's not very professional, obviously, but like, it's cute.
I'm gonna make the water.
Okay.
Okay, I don't remember cute to you guys.
You think everyone's gonna like your mermaid?
Yeah, cause wow, that's a pretty mermaid.
Yeah. Vienna, it's your last day being 3. What do you have to say?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna turn 4 tomorrow?
Yeah, but you can't make it. I'm too happy.